My name is Vanessa.
My name is Lucia.
My name is Dana.
Hello everyone, my name is Ifrit.
Hi guys, so my name is Sigana.
My name is Mona Hasanna.
Hi, I'm Shrishti. I'm Rubina Vidyaratna.
My name is Yuri.
ThincHer is a supportive community for women by women.
It's a place where women support each other, get together, and create something new.
ThincHer is amazing. We uplift each other with certain masterclasses and events and programs and mentorship.
I feel like communities are a big part of how you learn and how you grow.
I always wanted to be a part of a safe community where I get the support of these incredible women. And I wanted to learn from their struggles and their stories and create my own story.
I wanted to be a part of a team that can create new events.
I just want to challenge myself.
What made me join ThincHer was the fact that I've sort of always been searching to get that little bit of extra support, get that little bit of confidence, get that little bit more guidance in my future.
Have had the opportunity to meet new people and kind of learn what this type of program is doing behind the scenes and how all of this can be organized, which especially is helpful for anyone's CV, for example.
The key benefits of ThincHer are making friends, making new connections, growing your confidence, and developing personal and professional skills.
I think joining ThincHer can make me own more professional skills like event management and also get exposure to different topics of master classes. So by designing and planning these kind of master classes can get me exposed to different topics and entrepreneurial activities, different women on that. So it's very exciting.
I think that ThincHer has taught me how to work in a team. That it's not just about being a friend group, but also being able to prove yourself that you're worthy in that team and then come out strong and independent and do stuff as a team.
Having ThincHer there as a program for free for students, just for women, it just seemed like such an awesome group.
And professionally, I think I've learned to be more comfortable in asking people questions about how they do certain things. I think a lot of the women in ThincHer and everyone who's been involved has a lot of skills that may not necessarily be skills that you could learn just simply from existing within university. It's been really cool to have access to that.
The benefits of joining ThincHer would be meeting these amazing business leaders who have a lot of experience, so they can provide me for a base to start with.
Learning a lot, even what we do in a committee, but also later I'm very excited for master classes.
I think this growth is not only for me, but I believe it's also for the broader community of other girls and everyone involved in our events.
Key benefits of being a part of ThincHer would be fun and friendship.
I think it can boost my self-confidence because ThincHer offers a lot of programs like mentorship.
You walk into the ThincHer community and the committee meetings and you just get so happy and excited about what's to come. Everyone's so funny and caring and loving, and it's just so supportive. It's beautiful. I really enjoyed meeting everybody and getting to know them all. Yeah.